Hi everyone, this time we're gonna make a lightbox inspired by the legendary books and film trilogy The Lord of the Rings. Nothing difficult, 3 simple steps and you will get your own coolest lightbox. So, let's go! First of all, we need a shadow box frame. You can buy it on eBay or your local store. I bought the frame from my local craft store. It is 20.3 by 25.4 centimeters or 8 by 10 inches. Same size will be cutting templates. Also, I made A4 size templates for you. We also need printed templates for cutting, which you can download on my Patreon. Link in description. I print templates on watercolor paper. It is hard enough and transmits light well. LED strip lights, which you can also buy on eBay or any supermarket. I bought a version with a switch, but you can use a version with a USB or batteries. Cutting mat and pen knife. As usual, you can buy it on eBay or your local craft store. Step 1. Cut out templates. Step 2. Making paper accordions. To give our lightbox depth, we need to place layers at some distance from each other. To do this, we take a sheet of paper and fold it like an accordion. The number of folds should match the number of layers, but we do not count the first and last layers. In total we need 4 accordions, 2 on the sides, 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Step 3. Assemble the lightbox. Put the first layer in the box, then put our accordions inside. Place our paper layers between accordion folds. The last layer is the blank sheet of paper. Then glue the LED strip to the sides of the lightbox. Cut a little wire hole and close the box. And we made it! Thank you for watching this video. If you have some questions, you can write them in the comments. To see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel and also social media. Also, you can support me on Patreon. All links below. See you soon!